Types of economic system. Basically, there are three types of economic system: capitalist economy, socialist economy, and mixed economy. Now, what is capitalist economy? Capitalist economy is that economy where factors of production are owned by the private enterprises. All the economic decisions are taken by private enterprises. The government does not have any right or does not interfere in any kind of economic decision. The problem of what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce is taken by the private enterprises. The economy is run by the market forces of demand and supply. Where there is demand, there is more price, and hence the producers goes on. The capitalist economy is profit motivated. Now, what is socialist economy? Socialist economy is that economy where factors of production are owned by the government. All economic decisions are taken by the government and it is welfare motivated. The problem of what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce is taken by the government. Now, suppose to illustrate this, let me take one example. Suppose a grocery shop is there. Now, in case of capitalist economy, it will be owned by the private enterprises and they will produce and sell those goods which which give them maximum profit. Now, in case of socialist economy, the same grocery shop will be owned by the government. The government will see which type of good is required, which type of good brings more welfare to the country, and accordingly the decision will be taken. So, in case of capitalist economy, more focus is given on profit, and in case of socialist economy, the more focus is given on welfare. Now, what is mixed economy? From the name, it suggests that it's a mixture of both something. Now, what is that something? Where economic decisions are taken by both government and private enterprises. Private can also do all the economic decisions and run their businesses, but it is regulated by the government. Now, my question for today is what? India falls under which type of economic system? Thank you.